Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to dive into a topic that could change your life, starting your dream business in Italy. If you've ever imagined running a cozy B&B in Tuscany, a trendy cafe in Milan, or even an export house in Rome, this video is for you. First things first, before you kick off that amazing venture, you need to register your business. It might sound daunting, but I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. Let's start with identifying your market. Understanding the general market information for your specific business is crucial. Research the seasonality, competition, and potential client base to see if your idea is viable. Next up, the legal stuff. Deciding on the appropriate legal structure for your business or company is crucial. Whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company, each has its own benefits and requirements. You'll also need a compliant business name and possibly a trademark. Now let's talk about the paperwork. Each shareholder or director of the company needs to have the necessary credentials, including a codice fiscal, that's an Italian tax code. You'll also need to draft and notarize the articles and memos of the association, outlining your business purpose, structure, and internal regulations. Once that's done, you'll need to open an Italian bank account to get your business rolling. Submitting documents and paying fees comes next. You need to obtain a registered number and register for value-added tax, VAT. Don't forget to register your company with the Italian Chamber of Commerce. It's a must for many types of businesses. Depending on what you're planning to do, you might also need specific licenses or permits, so this can vary widely, so make sure you know exactly what's required for your particular venture. So why Italy? The rich culture, the passionate people, the beautiful landscapes. It's a fantastic place to bring your entrepreneurial dreams to life. Plus, Italy has a strong support system for new businesses, providing a fertile ground for growth and innovation. In conclusion, starting a business in Italy might seem like a lot of work, but with the right guidance, it's totally doable. And trust me, the rewards are absolutely worth it. So take that leap of faith, follow your passion, and get ready to make your dream business a reality in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on starting and growing your business. Arrivederci and buona fortuna.